How we doing? How we doing? How we doing? Looking just a tad bit cell model-y today, huh? Holy schmooks. Holy schmooks. Got this 4 hour right here that we just tapped into. So, listen. When I start seeing the way these bearish candles are getting put in and then how aggressive these bullish candles are, I almost think we're going to turn around. If we get the close above this giant ass 1 minute with this SMT and this delivery, I know I want at least 134 inside, but you've been hunting that 1 minute. That 1 minute is the only reason we're live streaming right now. But ideally, I'd rather get a sweep on these lows and then along from here and not have to worry about that big ass stop loss. But dude, that's awesome. That's lit. What up, Hustle? He said he trades iFVGs. Yeah. Dude, we swept so much, bro. Holy. I mean, we've all been eyeballing this trend line for a while now, right? So we kind of all knew that was coming eventually. Just a matter of when. Now Monday got a pump. We created this 30-second bullish FVG here that is pushing us up right now. So if we get a push above this high right here, it could be our CISD. But we'll see. I would honestly prefer these lows down here. You're up a whopping 50 cents. Well, you could be down 3 Apex 25Ks. So dumb, bro. I got wicked out so bad, bro. Yeah, just a 48 or something, 48 point candle that happened in like 2 seconds. Gonski. Such bullshit, dude. I was like, okay, cool. I guess my bias is wrong, bro. It was this 3 minute long. Right here. Should have gone BE. Totally didn't. The momentum was really good. I thought we were going to smack. And then this candle just, doink, yoink. It happened so fast, bro. Like, look, this is the 15-second chart. Look at this. 46 points. Boom. Like that before I could even do anything, bro. So if you wonder why I always say have a hard stop on, that's why. That's why. And I did not. So I just was like watching and I was all, this looks all right. This looks good. And then I was, oh. Oh. Okay. Well, that doesn't make me feel super excited to try and trade fundeds today, now does it? I'm like, you know what? Maybe maybe we just take Friday off. I mean, I'm loaded up, but after the way that went, I was like, okay, today might not be my day. Whoa. I mean, this volatility is like, it's going up. It's over 17 now. Earlier it was only 15 something. So, like after getting wrecked on Monday and break even Tuesday and then making it all back and then some more, I'm like, why even trade today? That's how I'm feeling. No position is a position. So that 30-second just inversed. Maybe that will send us down to 134. Sweep these lows. If you tried that, I would go break even ASAP. Holy. Damn. Dude, I was thinking about that, but I didn't even have time to react. Holy. I guess we want to go for these lows like now. Full TP would probably be 118. Damn, dude, I didn't even like have time to do anything. And then it just ripped. So there's 134. I've had that marked as our DOL for so long, bro. Wait, did it actually just? Do you guys see this? Hit this DOL line like to a tick and is now turning around. Okay, hold up. Oops, that's 15-second chart. We did not trade that. It's so hard to only take one trade a day. Even watching the chart, knowing you don't have any more bullets left, dude. The size of these candles is scaring you, dude. Same, bro. I'm low key scared to get in right now. 148 to 182. God damn, man, these candles. Relax. Bro, that's such a crazy reaction after barely ticking that. Why do I feel like this looks so good? You know, it's not like we've been absolutely dumping all day. Why not look for a long? You know, because I didn't learn my lesson on the long earlier this morning. Let's see what ES is doing. Ooh. So for now, I'm going to mark out this SMT with this low because I want to. Are you trading in an igloo? We basically are with how freaking cold it is here. Feels like a damn igloo. Whoa. Everything okay out there? Do I need to get off here? Do I need to get off here? You need some help? Bro, oh my God. Dude, I'm trying this 30-second low key.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Quick break even because I'm not trying to get wrecked in this volatility. Volatility. Trying to go for like 231, hopefully. Oof. BE. Good try. Think it's possible I re-enter low-key. If we get like this 30-second OB. I think I'm going to stick with the mindset of not pushing it too hard today. So, no re-entering and stuff like that. That was a good try. I'll leave it at that. So, kind of wanted that to just keep ripping, and it didn't. And now it's just playing around. Yeah, and there's also that. Like, we've been dumping, so. What up, Ophir? Okay, wait. Now I feel like I want to get back in, low-key. Let me flatten all real fast just in case. Oh, damn it. Rip. That's unfortunate. Did anybody stay in that? Nice job. Ah, damn it, man. W exit. $30 just closed. This 30-minute candle looks like maybe we want to come lower. So, I mean, this is good. You know, if we do want to try and maybe get another setup, we're leaving equal highs. So maybe we come down, ES breaks the SMT, then we can try along again. What up? Just got BE robbed again. Shocker. Maybe it's my fault. Maybe I shouldn't be going BE so fast, but whatever. Yeah, we just took this 30-second and I got BE'd and then it hit TP. So entry was here. Was trying to go for 231. I guess TP never actually hit, but I was just trying to go for like that. I went BE. Once we hit these highs, and it just kind of like got me out. So yeah, I was trying to be smart about it because we have been just dumping, and like, so I was like, this momentum's good. I kind of want it to just stay good, or I don't want to be in it. That was my thoughts on it. Because earlier I tried to long and got wrecked by a 40-point 15-second candle. So I was like, we're not going to let that happen again. I think we'll avoid that. We're going to go BE this time. So, but if we can manipulate down and sweep this low again, maybe ES wants to break this SMT down here. This low, then I would probably try and be back on board the long train, but it's just possible that today could be a bearish trend day, and that's it. Yeah, well, and before I even took that, I was like, I'm okay if I don't trade today at all. So, like, we had a good recovery week after a shit Monday. I don't want to have a shit Friday. So we're up like I don't know, $40 or something like that, and I think that I might just leave it at that. Shit will go back up next week. Yeah, probably. It's a bull market until it isn't. Dude, someone put that on a shirt. Hurry. And we are leaving good buy side behind, so I don't I don't mind like having these targets right here. Okay, look. Let me just point something out to you guys. See how we've been in a trend day, right? Obviously, down. Oops. We've been just kind of down, right? Obviously, we're down. Okay. But does anybody see the difference in this structure compared to this? Does anybody see that? Okay. So, why does that matter? Well, look, this is sell side trend line being put in, whereas this is buy side. So, when I start seeing this, I'm like, okay, we're probably going to dump some more, right? But now I'm seeing this. So, I'm like, okay, maybe we're approaching a turnaround soon because now instead of putting more sell side in, we've aggressively swept a bunch of sell side already, and now we're putting in buy side while delivering out of a 4 hour. So when I start seeing this, I'm like, okay, well, now I'm going to watch for a manipulation move and maybe a long because now we actually have buy side targets rather than we dump sweep these. What is there to target on here? Not much, right? But now this is all really good buy side. So just a quick little thingy. Now, does that mean just because we're putting in this buy side that we're going to turn around and target it today? No, but it's better to see this nearby if I want to look for a long rather than nothing, just gap, right? So, so there's 118. You know, Amy didn't call that out days ago. Holy reaction. So now we just aggressively swept all these lows. Dude, it's going to be really hard for me not to. Okay. Like, dude, please just. I need the chart to give me a reason to stop looking at long setups. So I, I keep swearing that we're going to get along, bro. I don't know why, but whatever. Like, doesn't something like this just look super nice? It's not just me, right? A little break even spot right here. See, that's what I've been thinking is the ES should go lower, but I mean, hey, if we want to hold a bullish SMT instead, I'll take that. Bro. You guys.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Damn, I'm BE'd again, bro. Shit, I'm such a. Mm. Bro, what is wrong with me? Why can't I just trust it? Probably because I'm trying to long when we've been dumping all day. I guess that would be a good reason. You guys, I might be asking for it, dude. I should probably just walk away for the day. Like, maybe I should stop trying to long, bro. Took 3 micros on a different email. Hey, Amy, we called it. We knew you'd been cheating. We were like, Munchies just trades on multiple accounts. That's how he gets away with the accountability challenge. Dang, you guys. I feel like I'm going to get robbed again. I feel like this is going to turn around now, honestly. Do I try and find a way to get in or not? Nah. Dude, I want to long so bad. If it loses, I'll regret it. I don't know if I will. I don't know if I will. Yep. That's what happens to me on a daily basis. I blame December PA, bro. Sloppy as shit. Yeah. No. Let's take a look at ES real quick. So we're still bouncing out of this 4 hour.
Connection lost.
I'm on the fence, dude. I feel like I'm so back and forth, bro. I feel like I want that to be my last try, but I'm also like, if it looks good, then I want to try it. But I probably should just stop for the day. I tried twice. I feel like when I trade more than 2 times, it starts getting bad. And now we're almost into lunch, so yeah, I don't know. I could see us turning around right here, but I could also see us not. Higher time frame is, it looks pretty bearish, but this is a good spot to bounce. We have an SMT. It's just like every impulse move up though just seems to be like getting wrecked. So yeah, this 5 minute chart. Dude, this 5 minute chart honestly does not look like it wants to turn around. I can't lie. This like looks like we're just gonna put an OB down. Got B. So if we inverse this 1 minute, if we inverse this 1 minute down, we could honestly keep dumping. Got BE and your phone's about to die? Well, that's probably a good thing then. Oh, sorry, it was a 30-second, not a 1 minute. It's a 30-second gap down. So if you're really strong on the bearish bias, we probably could try this 30-second if it inverses. Because we got a little SMT up here at the top. We technically have delivery and a sweep, right? So it's not like super amazing, but mechanically it's there. It's like a 20-point gap. But, you know, we're already so low. It's kind of like, do I want to continue shorting lower? I don't know if I do. Let's look at the 15-minute. Ouch. VIX is still pretty high. Yes, it's just, dude, this trend line up is. Dude, I want a long to target this so bad. Like, dude, this is fire. Please don't take out these equal highs. Go lower first. Come on, Margaret. Just dump these lows one more time and then give us a long, please. This could be one of those days where lunch hour is good still. Just chilling for now, though. Boy. Let's see, would that have been my... No, it wouldn't have. Futures rollover next week and OPEX next Friday. Oh, yay. Hell yeah. That sounds awesome. Still didn't inverse that 30-second down. Oh, wait. No, it didn't. Whoa. Don't do it. Don't you dare. NQ is just doing whatever the hell it wants right now, dude. Holy. Don't kill the messenger. Ban him. Why do I feel like we're going to get robbed of all this buy side with no setup? You can make Snoop come in here if you want. Guys, I think low key this feels chalked till PM, so I think we might just hop off till then, low key. I'll be like watching the chart. I'll be peeking at it, but I think I'm just gonna hop off till PM. So.